I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog. Yes, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog, I'm a good dog.
I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold.
Кэш, покажи крокодила. Еще. Кракен, теперь ты покажи крокодила. Молодец.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Is there a point to this not emergency meeting, or can I get back to my regularly scheduled not being around all of you?
Hello. I was wondering if I could order 1 attentions, please. It doesn't have to be in a size large. It can be whatever size you have available.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again. I'm up. I can run faster than a bitch around.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn.
I don't have a normal pet, the one I have is weird.
You know, at the beginning, I told myself it wasn't going to be an addiction. And then I bought another one. And then I bought another one after that. And now it's kind of starting to look like an addiction.
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello.
If I scratch my ass and it doesn't smell like anything, do I have COVID?
I haven't made a reel in a couple of days. Instagram says that I have to keep making reels to grow. So here's your reel. Ta-da.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's watermelon.
Show us your boob and then the beautiful floof.
You got COVID, bro? What the fuck is you doing?